How's it going, everyone? If you want to save a copy of your Trello board outside of the app, then exporting it to a PDF is really quick and handy. So this is perfect if you want to share your board with someone who doesn't use Trello, or if you just want an offline snapshot. So to do this, simply open your board and go to the board menu. From there, simply look for the print and export option. So there's then going to be an option to select export as PDF. So Trello will then generate a clean PDF of your board, including your lists and cards. And once it's ready, you can then download it or print it directly. So it's a simple way to keep your boards accessible anywhere, even without an internet connection. Plus, having a PDF copy can be great for presentations, team reviews, or just archiving your work for later reference. And that's pretty much it. So exporting your Trello board is fast, easy, and keeps everything organized outside Trello. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.